Hello, friends. I'm Bonnie, founder of Angular Nation. Sometimes I forget to say that because I feel like we just all know each other around here. So last week I launched my new premium spaces and I'm back with an update. I wasn't really sure what to expect, but it's going really well so far. I'm getting great feedback. The higher price point immediately brought us into kind of a more exclusive group, so it's so much easier for me to focus my attention on just a few people. The smaller group also makes it easier for everyone to open up and participate and get to know each other. Super cool discussions so far. And we have room for you. For the curious, I want to give you a couple examples of the things that we've been talking about in these groups. We started out with general support, obviously, mental health. We're all sharing tips for productivity when we feel discouraged. And even better, we're making room for people to talk about why they're feeling discouraged. And then we can kind of offer feedback, not just me, the whole group. Super cool. Career stuff. We're talking about office politics, which is a whole subject in itself. How to set boundaries without alienating your manager, how to get them to listen to your ideas, and of course, how to get the attention of hiring managers. Management stuff, how to gently but firmly hold junior developers accountable. Um, Maybe somebody has poor work ethic, maybe they're just going through a rough time. Like we want to be sensitive to that, but we also want to hold them accountable. So how do we do that in a, in a good way? I'm not guiding these topics. I'm just opening up the spaces for people to come and talk about whatever they're frustrated on, whatever they're blocked about, and then we share our experiences, share feedback. Not just me, like I said, the whole group, which I'm hearing is very, very helpful. So very cool discussions. Architecture. I'm excited about this. Have you seen the new RFC from Alex, Jessica, and Andrew? Completely new syntax. If you're using Angular, you're going to want to know about this. We chatted a bit about it on Monday, but I'm hosting a full session just to nerd out over the new RFC coming up this Friday in the Architect space before the Friday social. If you haven't seen the RFC yet, especially if you've seen it and you have questions, you should join us. We started out with 50 Founders All Access passes. I think 7 are taken, which means we have 43 left, which means only 43 more people will get access to all 5 premium spaces for the price of one. Want to join live chats with small groups in a GDE? Our premium spaces so far are architecture, career, experts, management, and support, which is a catch-all for whatever you're stuck on. Again, I'm hearing great feedback, so big thanks to our first 7 for trusting me and for encouraging me. If you're still not sure, don't worry. I'll be back here with updates as we go along, but we've already started. So if you have FOMO, don't forget, I always offer a full money back guarantee, no questions asked, and no one has ever asked for it. So if you don't love it, I will happily refund your money. So you don't have anything to lose, but you might have a lot to gain. See you soon.